So I'm going to add a new plugin. I'm going to type in Starter Theme. And you can see Starter Templates, Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, and Brizzy Template. So I'm going to click Install and Activate. And now, go to Appearance, go to Starter Templates. Now, what's super cool about this is you can select your preferred page builder ahead of time. You can also change this when you're in their actual Starter Template plugin, but I'm going to select Gutenberg. Now let's remember what this website looked like, right? So this is what it looked like before. And now I'll say I want to make an outdoor adventure website, and I want to import the complete site. Just click import. Now it's going to install some plugins for me, and then it's going to configure those plugins, which is, to me, super awesome. So we'll wait for it to go through that. Now this particular plugin is free, which is awesome, and works specifically with the Astra theme. So they're downloading some hero images and things like that, just so that it gives us a good idea of what the template should look like, and then you can go in and replace those yourselves. So it's complete. Now let's refresh the original site, and all of a sudden we have a completely designed site that we can go and replace images, and we can change text and things like that. What's super cool about this is that they just introduced single page imports. Let's look for a different template like a Learn-Academy. And let's say we want to offer courses on a particular page. So you can actually click all courses and click import all courses template. And again, it's going through the same process, and we can view that template. And now within the website, you can see that now there's an all courses page. And of course, we still have the rest of the template here. So it really makes creating pages pretty quick. And when you go to edit the page, these are all blocks within Gutenberg. And so you're going to edit it right here in the admin, which is super fun. Now, of course, you can do the exact same thing. If you go back over to Appearance, Starter Templates, and you choose, instead of Gutenberg, Elementor, now you can have the exact same template applied using Elementor as opposed to Gutenberg, and you're on your way again. So I think it's a super cool way to play around with new page designs, maybe update the look of your website. And remember, the website that we had previously looked nothing like this. And now it's a fully formed, beautiful website.